I'm Ryan. I'm a technical sales manager at Dassault Systems. My passion is cooking. Cooking is amazing because it kind of reaches all of your senses. It's one of those experiences that's relaxing and enjoyable. My role is to go around and train teachers and help them certify students in our certification exam. The teachers that I go out and teach are anywhere from middle school level all the way up to college level. And our goal is to teach them how to teach for our certification. At the end of the day, they can go through and they can teach their own students how to take this exam. So the more students we get certified, the more commercial users we're creating in the future. In my role, one of the biggest things is patience. Everybody learns at a different speed, everybody learns a different way. So I'll create my content in a way so that someone can go ahead or someone can stay behind and go slow with me. But I adapt for every single classroom. So when I'm at home and I'm cooking, one of the best things is I get to share my food with everybody else. Then when I go to my job, I'm also sharing my knowledge. I'm Ryan. I'm a technical sales manager at Dassault Systems.